So today we are going to discuss about how to get refresh state in your report whenever the data is lastly refreshed. So this is our end goal. So you can understand why we are going to discuss this topic in real time. We are mostly user can understand how how uh, how fresh the report would be, like how we came to know that the report is uh, current one, how much fresher the data in the report would be. So that how we would know by by seeing the refresh state, refresh timestamp in the title. Usually we are placing the refresh timestamp, last refresh timestamp, the data refresh timestamp in the title itself. So by seeing itself, we can understand, he or she can understand how fresh the data would be, how fresh the report would be. Okay. So how you might ask how to create the refresh timestamp, how to get the refresh timestamp in the report. So for that, we need to go to the transform data. Just click on transform data. Okay, and now you go to new resource where just hit on blank query, and give name as last refresh, last refresh data. Okay, now go to the formula bar, and there is a function called date time local now. Just hit on enter. You can see the system date as same as you can see in your local desktop or laptop. Now you need to change to the table. For that, what you have to do, just click on this last refresh data table and change to table. Now we can see single column format table. Now we can change the name. We can change the name like date and time. We need to change the data type of this column to date and time. Date and time. Now just close and apply. Close and apply. See, take a row card and just drag and drop this column into the row card, where you can see today's date as well as current time in our system. Current time in system was 7:45:54, right? So when you're doing the refresh at data model level, I mean all the table level, all table level. See here, the time is 7:46 and 41 seconds, same as the system is showing. You might ask like, what if I do at table level refresh? Is my refresh timestamp is changing? Let's say I have a product subcategory, so I'm doing refresh at table level. So this table was refreshed, and there is no change in the timestamp. So what it indicates, if you're doing the refresh at data model level, data model should have the refresh date table. The refresh date should have the last refresh date table. That is the key. So this is all about how to fetch refresh timestamp in your reports. So where you have to place this report, where you have to place this one. So in this way, we can give some text box like last refresh date. So last refresh date, and user can understand how the fresh the data in the report, how fresh the report would be by seeing just this date timestamp, last date refresh timestamp. I think you enjoy the session. So before closing the session, let's discuss with so before going to discuss before closing the session, I will discuss about once again what is the purpose of the data data. So end user can understand how the fresh the data would be, how fresh the report would be. Uh, report in the report would be. I think you enjoy the session, and if you like it, please comment and subscribe. Thank you.